If you're looking for a quick and easy way to auto-assign client projects in Trello or Asana, you're in the right place. This 3-minute tutorial will show you how to do it step by step, saving you time and effort when managing client projects. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a way you can try out some top software for free, exclusively for viewers of my channel. First off, let's talk about Trello. To auto-assign tasks in Trello, you'll need to use a tool called Butler, which is Trello's built-in automation tool. With Butler, you can create rules that automatically assign tasks when certain triggers happen. For example, when a card is moved to a specific list, you can set a rule to assign it to a team member. All you need to do is go to the Butler automation section, choose Create Rule, then select your trigger, like when a card is moved, or when a due date is set, and then assign the task to a specific member. It's a simple setup, but it can save you loads of time. You can create multiple rules for different actions. Want to make sure every new client project gets assigned to your lead project manager? Just set it up in Butler. You can even create more advanced rules like assigning tasks based on due dates or labels. So whether you're working with clients or internal teams, Butler's auto-assign feature is a real game changer. Now, let's move on to Asana. Setting up auto-assignment in Asana works a bit differently, but it's just as powerful. You'll use Asana's rules feature, which is very similar to Trello's Butler. To start, go to the project where you want to automate assignment, click on Customize in the project's header, and then hit Add Rule. You'll see a bunch of pre-built rules, but for auto-assigning tasks, you can either choose one of those or create a custom rule from scratch. For example, you can set a rule that automatically assigns any new task to a specific person when it's created or when it reaches a certain section of your project board. If you're working on client projects, this can save you a lot of time because you won't need to manually assign tasks every time. Asana also allows you to automate task assignments based on criteria like project type or priority, which makes managing multiple clients a breeze. So now you know how to use automation in both Trello and Asana to auto-assign tasks. But there's one more thing you should know. If you're using other software or need more advanced features, the software we're using today offers even better flexibility. And I've got a special offer for you. Check the description below for an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. To recap, in Trello, use Butler to create rules that automatically assign tasks based on specific actions, like moving a card or setting a due date. In Asana, take advantage of the rules feature to set up auto-assignment for your projects and tasks based on triggers, like new tasks or project sections. Both tools can drastically reduce the time you spend manually assigning tasks and keep your workflow organized. And don't forget, if you're interested in more advanced automation, check out the software we use today for your exclusive free trial in the description below. Key takeaway: automating task assignments in Trello and Asana is a huge time saver and can streamline your project management, whether you're working with clients or on internal projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to grab that free trial in the description.